Hi, in my last video I showed that I have designed a 3D print which can hold 3 inline WAGO 221 splice connectors. And after this video I was contacted by an employee from WAGO who asked me, can I send you some 221s to you? And so he did. And I want to show them to you because it's actually a quite interesting product demonstration. The employee did not expect me to make any video, but I think this is interesting. The first thing is they have a very similar product, so perhaps it was not necessary to design this. It's a little longer. There's also a box for it. I unfortunately did not get the box. I should have said that. But they also have quite a few other interesting products. So this is the large version of the 221. It can hold up to up here 6 square millimeter cable or wire. So we have one here, and we can see if we can connect it. As always with WAGO, it's so easy to see if you make a proper connection. There we go. And of course it's very strong, and you can easily detach it. So this, what we call it, the oversized 221, is in quite a different sizes. They are in the usual 5, 3 and 2, but I haven't seen an inline, but perhaps they have that. So this is compared to the normal one. Let's see what else I got for free. So I specifically asked for the gray version, and the gray version comes in 3 sizes: 2, 3 and 5. And so what's special about this? Well, for me it was that they were gray. Perhaps you can use that to mark neutral or something like that, but specifically they are made to be in an explosive atmosphere, so something has been made so there's a lesser chance that they make sparks. But I really think that WAGO should consider making them in different colors. It would be very nice to have them in blue and green, yellow and such. They should be quite more expensive, but I didn't pay for any of them, so I'm happy. And they also sent me these for DIN rail mounting, so we can test that with one of the gray ones here. So then it's easier to see the contrast. So let's just zoom in, and I think you have to push. Yes, there we go. So you can mount it in a DIN rail, and then you can attach cables this way. And I think it was just 4 of them. This guy, I don't know how it's used. I can see some wires go in here, but I don't quite understand them. So maybe somebody can explain me, or perhaps I should just look up myself. They also sent me this little kit. So let's have a look at it. So it says for use in lighting and equipment. So I guess it's something where if you want to mount a cable, then you can do that. Or a lamp, I mean, if you want to mount a lamp. I'm not the correct person to demonstrate this, then I should test it before. But that's very good to see some interesting products, especially those that I did not know existed, that they have oversized. And there's also a ruler, or whatever it's called in English. And this guy, which I don't know how to use, it's something for DIN rail. So I will look into that, how that works. Yes, I think that is all. Very interesting products. Thank you. and goodbye.